Long your mong. Never sell. Diamond hands. Hodl. To the moon. We're all gonna make it. Listen, in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys real quick about a mindset shift you need to make in 2022 if you actually want to make it. And that is all about conviction, and it's all about learning how to sell. Welcome to my channel, Enter the Dungeon, where I talk about DeFi, crypto, and all things making gains, making money on their internet. Before I go too much deeper, before I talk about this mindset shift, listen, I'm not your financial advisor, okay? I'm not giving any financial advice on this channel. Everything here is information purposes only. If I discuss any kind of project, anything I'm interested in, it's all just stuff that I'm researching on the internet, okay? Be a big boy or a big girl. Ape responsibly. Always do your own research. Listen, today we're talking about this meme, right? Diamond hands. And we're talking about conviction, what it all means. I got no shade on this guy. He might be up massive. He might be up bigly. But man, you guys got to learn to sell. And this is a note that goes to myself too. I've been caught in this trap so many times. I've turned $100 into $20,000 and held on to it and watched it turn to dust. Nothing. Just vaporware in my MetaMask wallet. And I hope that even if just one of you people out there watching this learns a little bit of convictions, learns to sell when you're up big, when you're looking at that 5x, that 10x, or that insane 100x, that you cut and run, you sell, right? You got to learn to do that. And if I can help anybody to learn how to do that right, then I'll feel like I'm on the right track with this channel, that I've done something good, my first good deed of the year. So let's jump in a little bit and talk about this a little bit more. But first, if it's your first time here, do me a big favor. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell button, leave me a comment, tell me what's going on. It does a lot for the channel. It helps me out a lot. And I'll be able to drop these videos on your phone once or twice a day. And if you want to join my community of degens, where you can feel free of all this hodl meme, diamond hands mentality, jump into our Discord. The link is below. Listen, today I dropped this in my Discord, okay? This is the point, right? We are in crypto to make gains, okay? Let's be real. All of us are here for the gains. Short-term gains, long-term gains, whatever it may be. And the real deal is that it's very hard to learn how to sell. It's super easy to buy, to FOMO into these things, but it is insanely hard to sell. You need conviction, right? You need clarity. So it gets tricky out there, and that's how a lot of people they watch their bags go to zero. They watch a juicy 10x or juicy 100x just go to complete zero, and that's something that we need to rid ourselves of in 2022 if we want to make it, okay? The meme diamond hands, the meme hodl, these do make sense at certain times, right? They have their time and the place. If you're good at timing the market, you're good at buying the bottom, then absolutely diamond hand it through the top, ride the wave, but then learn to sell. What's the point if your bag just goes to zero over the years because you're holding it forever? That's not why we're here, okay? And here's the deal. You're going to find yourself in a lot of Discord communities, Telegram communities, Twitter feeds, and all that stuff about these different projects that you're interested in. And you're going to be getting shilled these bags, and a million people are going to be screaming, diamond hands, hodl, we're all going to make it, have fun staying poor. And it's just gonna suck all the conviction and the will out of you, because that is the nature of these financial instruments, right? When the greed is on, when the green candles are going up, everybody wants to hodl. Everybody wants to keep going. And I've been caught in this trap so many times, but I don't want you to be. You have to learn to sell. You don't have to learn to time the top. You don't have to learn to time the bottom, right? It's basically impossible, but you have to learn to sell. Take Profits, okay? Here's the deal. Everybody in these communities, you're going to find that if you look back through them, when these were pumping massively, you're going to find that there's always that vocal majority screaming, hodl, diamond hands. Why? Why are they doing it? Because they're holding too, right? And it's in their best interest for you and for everybody to keep holding so the price goes up. Now, what you're not realizing maybe is that some of those people may have gotten in during the pump, during the last FOMO, during the last frenzy, and they may be down bad, like their bags may be down bad. So it's in everybody's interest in there to scream hodl, but it might not be in your best interest. And that's why you have to learn to sell. Listen, I'm not going to be one of these guys that is just constantly trying to pump you up and give you frenzy about a project or the bull market or FOMOing into anything. No. If you're staring at life-changing gains right now, right? If you bought a whitelist, a pre-sale, you got in early on a project or on a trade and you're just up big, you're looking at 5x, 10x, 50, or 100x, sell. Don't be married to your bags, okay? You need to have conviction in this game if you want to make it. Sell into a stable coin. Look for your next project that you want to get into and keep moving, even if it means buying back into that last project in the next dip. Have some conviction, right? If you're looking at the kind of gains that are going to send your kid to college or something like that, that's when you need to stop gambling, right? That's when the degen mentality, that's when you need to be able to set it aside. The diamond handing, the hodling, no. So remember, if you want a community where we're simply not married to our bags, or we're trying not to be, and we're building a place that's free of this cult-like bag simping mentality where everybody's screaming diamond hands at you, and we're trying to break down projects in a real way and talk about them in a real way here, jump into the dungeon. There's a Discord link below. Let's look at this a little bit closer because I want to show you guys some specifics, okay? Let's look at Giza, a project that I was excited about. I made a video about. Of course, it was a crazy, risky degen play, so I was careful about it. I made sure to tell everybody that this was high risk. And the truth is that most of these projects most of these are going to zero. If not this year, then next year or next month or whatever. A very high percentage of them are going to be outright rugs and scams. Some of them will just fail, like as in the case of Giza. I thought their team was very honorable in the way that they rolled out the ending of their project. But look, at one point, okay, people who bought in around here or the people who were on the whitelist, they peaked out at their Giza around $206 each, okay? And then, boom, just wrecked. And right around here, the project failed. The project sent back the treasury basically to everybody who was holding Giza. So many people got wrecked on the diamond hand mentality here, right? So if you go into, let's see, if we go into the Giza chat, all right, this was December 2nd. Diamond hands, diamond hands, diamond hand. I will hold a lot. Diamond hands here. Look, no shade, guys. Like we've all been trapped in this, right? But this is 1201, 1202. Okay? That was the peak. 1202 was the peak. Every Giza at that stage was worth $200 each token. Whitelisters who bought in at, I can't remember exactly, but 25, they were up big. Like they were up pretty big, okay? So any of them that diamond handed this project, they got wrecked. They may have still come out on they may have still profited because they bought in so low, but anybody buying in here, like market buying in the 133 range, even these folks are almost at a 2x. They diamond handed. Look, learn to sell. Conviction is the only thing that's going to get you to the end of this game, right? Like, let's take a look at Mongoose. Super popular meme coin right now. Ton of big accounts on crypto Twitter shilling it, or maybe not, they're hyped about it. Great, like solid 8x right here if you bought in this range. Boom. How many people hodled this all the way down here? Now, maybe it'll do a new all-time high. Not saying it won't, but maybe it'll also just evaporate when the next big meme coin comes along and just crushes all the hype on this one. The hype rolls into the next coin, and then it rolls into the next coin after that, and all the diamond handlers are left holding dust in their MetaMask. Okay, it's going to happen. It's probably already happened to you. I'm guessing if you're watching this, it's happened to me so many times. I mean, times when I was looking at life-changing money, $150,000 off of a small trade, and I'm just thinking to myself, it's going up a little more. Diamond handed, 3-3. We're all going to make it. And then watch it go to just. So let's get real, okay? In 2022, what we really need to learn to do is have conviction about our trades. Stop marrying our bags. Just start looking around. When you start to see these people screaming at you in the Discord about diamond handing and hodling, that's when you need to start tuning everybody out, right? Just look in here in coin market cap. There's so many people in these categories and these coins right now that are up so big on this side and the top gainer side. Tomorrow, if they're diamond handing, they're going to be on this side, okay? That's just how it works. These projects are all very small, very illiquid. You can get wrecked so fast. Pick a target, pick a number. Do not marry yourself to these projects, all right? These are mistakes that I have made over and over and over again because I was excited. I got in early. I was in the community, and I got wrecked by the hodl or the diamond hand mentality. Those are just memes. We're here for the gains, right? If you're looking at a 5x right now, if you're looking at a 10x, 100x, sell it now, right? Or at the very least, take out your profit, take out your initial bag, and let the rest ride. If you're a gambler, if you're a degen, again, do us all a favor, hop into our Discord. I'll drop the link below. There's a ton of people in here now. We got 400 people, all degens, all talking about different projects. A ton of alpha being shared in here. A lot of projects, nodes, ohm forks, DeFi, launches, whitelists, all kinds of stuff being discussed in here. Lots of great people, and all of us have each other's backs. We are not trying to FOMO pump each other up into the next, whole diamond hand your next project. All right. So see you guys on the next video.